CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday and onwards is Circle Internet Stock Buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this very short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in the stock trading space has an actual track record of 44,000 videos like me, over 5 years, all documented, so I've been showing you what's working for me and what's not. People are really overcomplicating this. Now, don't just assume, like, this seems like I'm buying straight up tomorrow. No. Like, I'm just trying to have clarity in this freaking no clarity freaking environment. I began buying this as it just freaking got listed on the NASDAQ, and it was like 40, like 70 something, yeah, 76 bucks at the time. Took it to like 104. It was great. And then I milked it up on 2 separate occasions, and I got a break even just recently. So the only thing that's going to make me buy is some greenery behind this, right? And if there's not, then I'm not buying. Simple. And I have a lot of CRCL receipts. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.